Wednesday saw the official sod turning ceremony for the multi-million-dollar upgrade project at the Maurice Bishop International Airport. The work, which would include resurfacing of the runway, parallel taxiway, loading bridges, a bypass road, passenger terminals, a second apron for cargo, and an emergency center, is expected to cost in excess of $67 million. The government of Grenada will be working in collaboration with the People's Republic of China on this project. Newly installed Minister for Infrastructure Nolan Cox explained the objectives behind the project as one where they seek to improve the takeoff and landing conditions for aircrafts, to lower airport operation costs for both passengers and moving cargo, and to increase passenger comfort and confidence. Minister Cox spoke on what will be done.
We'll be resurfacing the existing runway and pavement of runway shoulders, construction of an aircraft turning bay, apron and taxiway expansion, upgrading of the airfield and lighting system, construction of two-way apron service lane, projects for the terminal area, including installation of two passenger bridges, pier works, remodeling the airside of the arrival area to accommodate two passenger boarding bridges, installation of elevators, escalators, and stairway.
Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to Grenada, Zhao Yongshen, sees this upgrade and expansion as a boost in economic development for the country. The actual construction, he says, will create more job opportunity and greater connectivity within regions. He says he looks forward to an early conclusion to the project.
Consistent along, this project is a fruit borne by all friendship relations. It is also signals the smooth recovery of Grenada economic. There is a Chinese saying, building the road is the first step towards living economic. China's experience of more than 40 years of reform and opening up has proven that a sound infrastructure system is the foundation for rapid economic growth.
Minister for Tourism and Civil Aviation Clarice Modeste-Kerwin says this project is essential at this time. The existing runway at the airport has been used for more than 20 years. Minister Kerwin says careful consultation has taken place on what needs to be done and the expertise of people to undertake the project before arriving at this juncture.
Why is it necessary? We need to resurface the runway for safety issues because the last time I was told that it was resurfaced was about 15 years ago. And of course, deterioration makes it unsafe for the planes to take off and to land. So it is a very necessary project. Our air traffic management system, again, about 30 years old, becoming obsolete. Staff have said to me that they have difficulty finding parts because after all these years, new companies, new innovations, what was relevant 30 years ago no longer is. And therefore, we have to upgrade.
The sod turning took place on the 36th anniversary of the opening of Grenada's Lone International Airport. Christina John, GBN News.